Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, as you can see, I'm so happy. I'm going to window shop for my bed, my dream bed, you guys, my dream bed. And the reason why I'm talking very fast is because the cab guy it's ako outside the gate. So that's why I'm nervous, I'm excited, whew, I'm curious. So I want to go to start window shopping today, then nione kama nitabai leo ama I'll buy tomorrow. So let's go guys, let's go. We are doing this guys. So see you there, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for the love that you have been showing me guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, let's enjoy this together. Let's go.
Ukiwa na mattress mzuri haiwezi regret.
Unaweza ishi nayo. Kitaka mattress mzuri. I think nini ndio wanauzanga mattress poa, Dr. Mattress.
Dr. Mattress wako, lakini sasa hiyo naona.
Lakini nao ni expensive. Grey inakaa vizuri. Lakini sasa hii ni 6x6. Taki 6x6.
Labda 5 sasa ikiwa grey kukuambia.
Kama hiyo. Mnaunda na siku ngapi?
Let's say siku mbili. Kwanza ikiwa ya kusanya material. Sasa ukiingia pesa leo. Like
Leo ni Friday.
Leo ni Friday.
Leo ni Friday. By Tuesday. Mbona unakula misumari?
Hisi natengeneza viti.
Hai. Na ukaweza meza. Na ukaweza meza. Haya, wacha tu nini tumalizie ku window shop. Ukiona tumerudi, ndio tumedecide ni hapa. Sawa, asante. Haya.
Naweka matandiko na
plywood. Tunaweza kuja. Sawa. Tungoje tu, tunaweza kama tunaona tu tumespot hapa. Tufike pale chini alafu tujue kama tunarudi. Ndio. Lakini alafu unaweza tengenezea mtu kala ingine, si ndio? Haya.
Hata ukitaka ingine maybe iko.
Ziko? Ziko wapi?
Kuna zingine ziko Mirema na kuna hapa ndani kuna ingine.
Kunazo ziko ready? Sawa. Nakaa vizuri sana. Hakuna hii sahihi.
Unataka hizi?
Chester.
Unataka Chester? Kama ninakuonyesha.
Lakini sasa zenye nimeona hii sahihi ya chini. Atikai vile. Taka zile ziko na button.
Ziko na
button. Hizi nimeona ziko tu hivyo plain. Hi guys, update. I'm so happy right now. This is like my best vlog, you guys. Whew. So I wanted to update you guys. So yesterday I went and found the bed that I wanted, but I didn't find it in the color that I wanted. I wanted a gray color, grayish kinda, because me I love gray. Me and gray kitu moja. So I found it in, I think, navy bluish but I didn't want that color, so I had to book for a gray one. So the foodie told me he will make it in 2 days, so I'll be waiting for those 2 days. And the sample that he showed me, it was, I wanted a 5x6, but he had the exact bed 6x6. I didn't want 6x6. I didn't want 6x6. The reason being, my bedroom is so small, so tukiweka 6x6 bedroom itajaa yote, but I think 5x6 is very fair. Hata ukienda ukuwe na bedroom kubwa, it's only 1 inch, so it won't make a very big difference. So guys, I'm so happy, you guys. So today I'm thinking niende ni window shop mattress nione, because the mattress that I have is 4x6, so I want a high density mattress. I want a very high density mattress. I can't wait for my bed to come. And the fundi was kind enough to tell me he will bring the bed to my house and fix it. Aish, they were so good. Nitawaplug by then, nitawaambia ni wapi. If everything comes out well, nitawaplug, nitawaambia ni wapi. And yeah, I think that's the update. And today I'm feeling quite well. I want to eat some fruits here, and then afterwards I eat lunch. I think ndio nita leave the house, because shopping for mattress. People tell me, guys, do I shop at the supermarket or should I go to the mattress companies? I'm thinking to visit Dr. Mattress, but nimeangalia offers zao kwa Instagram. They're so expensive, you guys. They are very expensive. Where kuna hadi mattress za 50,000. Woo! My goodness. Sisemi ati but ni bei kali. Mi kwangu, that's too much. That's too much. Even the bed doesn't cost that much. Oh, 50,000 for a mattress. So my budget is 15,000. Yes, I think my budget is 15,000. So I'm going to look for that mattress for 15,000. Nastaki yenye iko na spring. I don't want the spring mattress. So I think I'll find a good mattress with that money. So stay tuned, guys. I'm so happy. I'm finally getting my dream bed. I'm finally getting my dream bed. So guys, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. And I'm in the kitchen. Sorry, I was looking for light, so I didn't want to switch on the ring light right now because it's a process. So yeah, I try as much to be realistic. So guys, see you if I leave the house, and I'll show you where I'll go to shop for my mattress. Okay guys, okay. guys, the fundis are here. It's at night. Manze, mafundi nakwambia. It's at night, and currently let me show you the mess that we are having. I'm just like, huku tutamaliza saa 5. So let me
Look, guys.
It's looking so good. You did the back side.
Yes.
And these are the sides. So currently, apparently, hii space ni kidogo. Mi sijui tutafanya aje, but this one is a hindrance. Na sijui nitapata wapi mtu wa kuibai sai. So, and my space is so small. They cannot fit. So either ikae nje, and these are the wardrobes that have the clothes for Cecil. So sijui, me I'm just confused. Acha tufungue tuone wameenda hizi zingine huko chini. So yeah, and it's looking so good. So guys, the fundi are finally assembling the bed, as you can see. So yeah, just wait for the results. This is the next day, and this is the results, guys. I've not yet bought the duvet, that I want, but this will do for now. I also added the carpet, the gray carpet. So I think this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love with my bed, you guys. I'm in love. Look at that, guys. Look at it's so huge. Karibu accommodate the whole room, but yes, it looks so good. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you on my next one. Bye.